No, I can't have
I'm doing my side. What do you mean you can't have this? Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
No, nobody cares about your side. Your side is clean, dude.
No,
It's my side, okay, guys? I'm here because it's time to purge. If you didn't see my haircut yet, I got my haircut.
Goodbye about your haircut now.
I really look like a librarian. That means you cannot turn the TV up really loud.
I see that.
Well, you can in a second because I'm gonna
Do you need help? Look like you need help, child.
I don't need no help.
Who, me?
I'm a big girl, okay? I was a big girl. I put my big girl panties on today.
Hey, I
Alright.
got this so far and I'm dying.
So guys, don't judge me because we all got a mess, okay, in our room. Alright?
Oh, we're gonna move
Yeah.
that thing in your room too, my love, or no?
What?
Wasn't there a couple things you want to move?
Yes, that's why I'm doing this now. See that thing back there? That thing needs to go in my beauty room. But in order for that to happen, this needs to happen. Yeah, you see that? That's a bunch of clothes that
Oh!
I am going to go through
Not my fault.
and get rid of because I need to get rid of stuff that I don't wear. Like, I just got this shirt, so I'm not gonna get rid of it. But there's clothes that I've been hanging on to that I'm like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna get rid of this because I could do something with it and then I could, like, you know, I don't know, cut it up or do something. But I haven't done it, and I'm more into just, I don't know, plain t-shirts or, like, you know, just my style is different from last year. I don't wear heels no more. I know, and I have a lot of shoes, guys, because I was so into, like, shoes. I used to collect shoes, okay, and that I wouldn't even wear, but I would get them just to have them, like, just in case. And I gotta go through those too. So right now, let's just purge and go through these clothes and fold them and put them away and figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm not, okay? So hopefully this video motivates somebody. And you do your spring cleaning purge Melisandre style with me. Let's go, because I'm tired of it. And it doesn't help that you see that New York Yankees hat right there? That's not mine. Why is it on my side, Kilo?
Yankees hat?
New York Giants, sorry.
Disrespectful?
Shush, New York Giants. Why is that on my side? Tell me.
Because I want you to think of...
Tell me more. Okay, and then there's my dresser up there, which has his stuff up there too.
Oh, Lord.
I don't understand it. He has a whole dresser right here, but you know what? He won't put it on that dresser because then it will block... It will block his view. So he puts it on my stuff. It makes me look messy.
Yes,
but it's
yes,
okay.
That's exactly.
It's all right. It's all good, guys. It's all good.
Messy.
Yeah. So, but he keeps his side nice and clean. You know why? Because he puts all his stuff on my side.
Yep,
Okay.
exactly.
Let's just go. Let's do the dang thing.
Oh,
And
stop looking like a...
get with the program. My love for you. Okay, I'm putting these here because these need to be hung up. I feel like I'm not going to be able to fast forward this, or I'm going to, but you know how it goes. Okay, so this right here is my workout gear, and I, my friends, am going to start working out because after that video that you're about to see, I don't know when, because it needs to go, which reminds me I need to go in there. Your girl is gonna be working out.
Really?
Yeah, it's that time again. So I will involve you guys in that, and you will see the transformation right before your eyes. I don't know, and I need to take the flat iron and do something.
No, so that way you don't ask for stuff.
Could have all the.
We take it to Walmart. You'd be like, oh my God, can we get this? Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God, can we go on this?
This is so cute too, and I don't think I'm not gonna
me or
save
you?
it.
You.
Oh, you have some for me.
What? Wait, what? What's going? Wait, what just happened?
What are you doing for Walmart?
We're gonna get something for the house.
If this was a large, it would fit. If I lost about 10 pounds, it would fit.
Where in the house?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's just talk about it.
I want that whole thing though.
Yep.
Babe, you're gonna hurt yourself. Put it down. You're carrying it from the wrong end. The things are gonna fall on you. What are you doing? What are you trying to prove right now?
That she's a strong, independent lady.
I know that already, though. She doesn't have to prove that to me.
Mom sounds so weird when she says, "Is that a dog?" Wow, I'm so surprised.
What do you want it?
Just in my room, anywhere. For right now.
What is in your room? Oh, I miss those little container things that are right there. I feel like your hair looks better when it's not like snap. It's better.
Yeah, but I don't care because
Oh my gosh! Hi guys. Still recording.
I know.
Mommy, you can't put your hair up. My family has shorter hair than you, which longer hair than you. It's hard to put it up. See, just you don't need to put it in a bun. It just looks like a bun regular.
Still goes up.
It's so small.
Yep.
Hi guys, still recording. So hi guys.
You can tell Keelan was feeling himself dancing. Yes, yes, yes. La-di-dee-dee, la-di-dee-dee, la-di-doo. It's time for honey to go to bed. Which means it's horror time. Oh shit, is that honey calling me?
I don't know why. She's doing her nails. I'm taking a break because basically I'm done, kinda.
Right?
Kinda.
Excuse me, sorry.
So I'm a little peed off because I really wanted some, not nachos, quesadillas with salsa, sour cream. But we don't have any salsa. So what I did was just take cheese and leftover chicken and some bacon bits and put it in there. That's what I'm eating for dinner, and it is 8:30 at night. Yeah. I know. Alright. Well, I got all the clothes done. That was the point. And I just have to organize that stuff back there. I'll be back for that. So, thanks for coming along, keeping us company. And until the next video, I will catch you on the flip side.